Hi viewers, welcome back. This video is all about November Full Teasers 2025 on Sacred Love. Guys, this November is heavily loaded with a lot of twists and drama because finally Adrija will be exposed and Zorafa is finally going to accept Migla as his daughter-in-law. So guys, stay tuned, watch to the end, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Saturday, 1st November 2025. Siddharth defends Meghla when Neha and her friends bully her. Later, the host welcomes the judges and contestants as the quarterfinals begin. Sunday, 2nd November 2025. The quarterfinals of the singing competition begin with contestants delivering their best performances. Later, Chandan anxiously wonders if Meghla will qualify. Monday, 3rd November 2025. Meghla qualifies for the semi-finals while Neha tells Adriza she won't let Meghla win. Later, Neha and her friends pressure Joy to spike Meghla's drink before her performance. Tuesday, 4th November 2025. Ranbir shares his troubling dream, and Meghla reassures him. Meanwhile, Neha and her friends trick Meghla into drinking a spiked drink, claiming it will help her sing better. Wednesday, 5th November 2025. As the singing competition continues, Guruji is shocked by Rajnikant's burst scoring. Meanwhile, Meghla struggles with a worsening throat, while Piyush and Shreya shine on stage. Thursday, 6th November 2025. In the singing competition, contestants perform songs chosen by the judges. Later, Rajnikant disqualifies Meghla, while Siddharth praises her effort. Friday, 7th November 2025. As Meghla's throat becomes hoarse, she couldn't sing properly and gets disqualified. Later, Ranbir defends her when Joravar asks about her promise to stop singing. Saturday, 8th November 2025. Ranbir comforts Meghla and encourages her to continue singing despite the challenges. Later, she attends the competition final as an audience member. Sunday, 9th November 2025. Meghla returns to the singing competition at the audience's demand. Later, in the second round of the final, Piyush and Neha perform duets, followed by Sachin and Meghla. Monday, 10th November 2025. Siddharth encourages Meghla to give her best in the third round of the final. Later, Meghla is declared the winner of the Sangeet Superstar competition. Tuesday, 11th November 2025. Meghla thanks everyone who supported her in winning the competition. Later, she seeks Joravar's blessings, but he refuses. Ladu then urges him to stop insulting her. Wednesday, 12th November 2025. Meghla feels anxious about Ranbir's upcoming international flight. Later, Adrija decides to manipulate Joravar to turn him against Meghla. Thursday, 13th November 2025. Ranbir's flight gets hijacked, and the hijacker forces him to change course to Nepal instead of London. Meanwhile, the Bajwa family anxiously fears for his safety. Friday, 14th November 2025. Ranbir warns the hijackers of engine failure, forcing an emergency landing. Meghla disguises herself to board the flight and assist him, while hijackers demand Elias' release. Saturday, 15th November 2025. Meghla helps capture the hijackers on the flight and gets praised by Ranbir in front of the press. Later, he grows tense after receiving a mail that the police are looking for her. Sunday, 16th November 2025. The police interrogate Meghla for breaking protocol and assisting in capturing the hijackers. Meanwhile, Meher eagerly waits for Ranbir and Meghla to return home. Monday, 17th November 2025. Joravar's family warmly welcomes Ranbir and Meghla, expressing pride in her, while Adriza warns of possible legal consequences. At the party, Joravar makes amends with Abin. Tuesday, 18th November 2025. Ranbir exposes Adrija for spiking Meghla's drink and sabotaging her performance in the contest. Later, Meghla and Ranbir sing a song together. Wednesday, 19th November 2025. Ranbir and Meghla share their love story with the press. Later, Ranbir decides to send the drink Adrija spiked to the lab for testing to uncover the truth through the reports. Thursday, 20th November 2025. Shaban forgives Laddu when he apologizes for his past mistakes. Later, the Bajwa family warmly welcomes Shaban and asks her and Laddu about their thoughts on marriage. Friday, 21st November 2025. Meher and family ask Laddu to marry Shaban, while Meghla and Ranbir try to convince Shaban to agree. Meanwhile, Mahua feels upset and urges Chandan to bring Adrija home. Saturday, 22nd November 2025. Meghla confronts Adrija for trying to undermine her in front of the family. Later, Laddu tells the family that he and Shaban prefer a simple wedding. Sunday, 23rd November 2025. Adrija alters the spiked drinks lab report to show false negatives as revenge on Ranbir. Later, she stuns the Bajwa family by demanding his divorce from Meghla. Monday, 24th November 2025. Adrija's demand for Ranbir and Meghla's divorce sends shockwaves through the Bajwa family. Later, she refuses to leave with Mahua and Chandan until Ranbir signs the papers. Tuesday, 25th November 2025. Ranbir agrees to sign the divorce papers to save his family's respect, while Mahua apologizes to the Bajwa family for Adrija's behavior. Later, Nail visits Ranbir. Wednesday, 26th November 2025. Meghla is heartbroken over Ranbir's decision to divorce while Adrija celebrates it, leaving Mahua emotional. Later, Chandan confronts Adrija for her bitterness. Thursday, 27th November 2025. Meghla supports Ranbir's decision to divorce, but he suits her by singing for her. Later, Chandan questions Adrija for ruining Meghla's life. Friday, 28th November 2025. Jorawar feels guilty and apologizes to Meghla for trusting Adrija over her. Later, Mahua breaks down, admitting that ignoring Adrija's shortcomings is now troubling Meghla. Saturday, 29th November 2025. Meghla tells Mahua there was no flaw in her upbringing, as she feels guilty for Adrija's behavior. Meanwhile, Adrija arrives with divorce papers for Meghla and Ranbir. Sunday, 30th November 2025. Ranbir humiliates Adrija by tearing up the divorce papers. Later, he reveals that she altered the report of the spiked drink and presented the fake one to the family.
So guys, that is all for this November teasers. So what did you think about these new teasers that is coming up very soon? Leave your comment at the comment section and share your thoughts on what you think about this video. See you on my next video. Bye bye.